Every slice of quick frozen chicken, every colorful portion is the result of care and dedication from the delicate production process. With advanced technology, individually packaged chicken not only retains its natural flavor but also retains its freshness and nutrition. Look at those crispy fried chicken pieces with their shiny golden color, reflecting light like a work of art created with ingenuity and love. Each piece of chicken has a harmony between the crispy exterior and the soft and smooth meat inside, creating an extremely attractive experience for your taste buds and delicious taste. Looking at each piece of chicken intestine, you will see it shine, reflecting the light and natural color of the food. Each piece is trimmed carefully and precisely, creating a beautiful and attractive shape. The pink color of chicken intestines makes it even more attractive and full of vitality. The arms of the cutting machine, they operate powerfully and precisely, moving quickly to cut each piece of vegetables perfectly. Each time the blade sharpens, the vegetable slices are cut with great precision. Each piece is even and uniform in color. The cutter's arms not only cut quickly, but also maintain the uniformity and quality of each piece of vegetable. This process not only saves time but also creates standard pieces of vegetables, ready for preparing delicious and nutritious dishes. Watch the blade operate powerfully and gracefully, like a sculptor creating his work on a sunrise scene. Each time the blade descends, it cuts through the carrot softly, yet ensuring precision and uniformity. The feel of each cut is a symbol of craftsmanship and delicate adjustment. Imagine a fresh scene when a sophisticated and modern device cuts fruits quickly and powerfully. With each cut, fresh fruit slices are separated naturally and smoothly, retaining their freshness and sweetness without damaging their shape or quality. It's not just a cutting process, but a demonstration of sophistication and professionalism. Each precise and quick movement of this device creates regular and attractive slices of fruit, making anyone who sees it admire and want to enjoy. Admire the wonderful beauty of the golden lemons growing on the conveyor belt. Each fruit is like a precious gem shining in the cool green space. The lemons are trimmed evenly and beautifully, like small gems with natural beauty and intense vitality. The bright color and pleasant scent of lemon radiate in gentle waves, making the surrounding space feel refreshing and fresh. The conveyor belt moves gently and smoothly, carrying lemons like precious gems in the hands of a sculptor. Each lemon is like a work of art, a perfect combination of nature and humans, giving us a feeling of satisfaction and satisfaction when we see it. Have you ever felt inconvenient and time-consuming having to peel corn before enjoying it? Let me tell you about a more convenient and faster way to enjoy the special taste of corn. During the preparation of corn on a modern production line, corn peeling has been automated to bring convenience and save time for everyone. Looking at the image of the line, you will see professional robot arms working delicately and accurately, removing corn husks step by step. The Fritsch EasyLine cake line brings simplicity and efficiency to the cake production process. With advanced technology and smart design, this product line helps optimize production processes and enhance productivity while ensuring high quality of the final product. Looking at the production line of this cake, can you guess what cake this is? And what makes them unique? Please comment below with your thoughts, okay? The Flow packaging machine is equipped with sensors and an automatic control system to adjust packaging speed to suit production needs. This helps ensure that packaging is done accurately and consistently, minimizing waste and increasing productivity.